Hello everyone, Cottie's here. She's gracing us with her presence today. She's been antisocial the last day or two. So, we have two unboxings. Let's start with this one. Then we have that one. So, this was another eBay gamble. How it was received. Let's open this up. I need to get off of eBay and stop gambling, man. So let's see what's in this. Got some stickers all over it. And it came with light padding. Haha, there we go. Superpro 7000. Similar to that one. This is my custom adapter. And speaking of adapters, I have some progress. I have been assembling the Mega Magic for the 7500, another Mega Magic for the 5000, 6000s, and another one here. So these are almost ready. I ran out of oscillators and USB ports. So those are on their way. They should be here Friday or Saturday. So let's check this one out. Did we get lucky? Probably not. I believe these are coming from either the Xeltek dumpster in Sunnyvale, California. Because if you look at the address, pull that box back up here. It's basically right next door to Xeltek, or is Xeltek's address, but treasure hunter. So I don't know if somebody got them out of the dumpster from Xeltek, or she wants to play. She can play. Somebody is like, she's too docile. Oh, but you don't chew on it. Okay. She got to play with the USB cable. I'm just going to power this on. Make sure it don't shake. Whatever the rating is on there. So let's grab power. She don't like, I got her a refill of cookies. Yes. I got her the refill of cookies. These are the cookies she likes. And what? She just will turn her nose up at it. Oh, she can eat it? Oh. She must be really hungry. Well, she's been turning her nose up at the refill. Alright, let's plug this in. Make sure the power's off. We're gonna plug it in as we get it. Make sure that is a Xeltek. Yes, center negative. Oh, it is dead. Maybe I don't have it plugged in. I don't think I have this plugged in. I don't have it plugged in. My bad. Ain't dead. Maybe it is dead. Oop, it's booting. That took a little delay. 00521 3. I don't think the serial number on this one matches either. Sometimes the serial numbers on them don't match. So let's light up the Xeltek software here. Haven't figured out how to integrate this one yet to the phone. I got one. Let's see here. I will launch the 215 version because it has all the diagnostic stuff unlocked. It connected. Let's do a pin logic test. Test pin short, pin driver 2, pin driver 3, pin drivers 1, 2, and 3. Ground check. Looks like it's good there. Okay. Close that out. Ooh, wanted to see the serial number. I could just looked at the other one. 1307. So it's like a 01052. Yeah, it matches. This one here, it don't match. So let's check Alt S or Control S. Control S. Showing me the adapter. That's a good sign. Yeah, let's go back to the 7000 software. It takes a minute for the 7000 software to light up. And let's go programmer. Let's do a system check. We gotta remove that adapter. Yep, and that's gonna get one of my adapters right here. One of my adapters is gonna fit perfectly right in there. So, okay, no adapter, okay. And we get the same born dbus system check fail. So, I'm not sure what that warn dbus is, but it seems to be common. So, this one you can actually read the display. So let's drop one of my adapters on. Let's grab a GX adapter with a magic chip. We're going to go down to EX001. And we're sure to be loaded up with that chip. We're going to read. Read failed. V2 out error or overcurrent. Oh. So this does have issues. Oh, well, that one red. Yeah, and we got another. So this one's going to have a V2 out error. So this one's got issues. So it's generally either bad diode or a bad transistor on the board. Or power supply issues. So let's erase. Erase fail. Erase okay. Yeah, so this one's going to be flaky. Control S. Blank check. Yeah, this one's going to be really, really flaky. Let's try the different adapter. I don't think it's my adapter. Hope I didn't kill the chip, because sometimes if the voltages are way out, you'll kill the chip. So we don't have a good connection. Erase okay. Blank check. No, we're not blank checking. So read. Read failed, V2 error or overcurrent. V out error or overcurrent. So yeah, it has issues. Issues. So it's okay. Hey, those are my connectors. The board actually stays and you can remove the thing, but it let's try that again. Let's reboot this. This is like having no socket installed, so at least serial numbers match, which is a good thing. Programmer. System check. Yes, so V2, it's probably going to be a bad transistor on the power supply on this one. So at least the power's up. That's a good sign. Let's open this up. Gotta open it up, do its critter check. Yeah, she has a little wowie in there. It's been opened and closed, so somebody didn't put it together right. So not sure which one was V1, 2, or 3. This is your 18 volts. So we'll look at that under the microscope. These are your voltages. And then that is 18 volts. It's usually one of, if you have power issues, it's one of these little transistors here. You get something to point with. I don't have a spudger, but I got a screwdriver. Okay, so it's either that transistor, that transistor, that transistor. Looks like that cable was smashed. So we'll it's just curiosity. I'll do that later. I'll play with this later. So I guess there's two different versions of power supplies. One for like a newer power supply, and then this one. So Cottie wants to be, she wants attention. Do you want cookies? Yep. So I think these were thrown away at Xeltek, and somebody either next door to them or unloading them from the dumpster, or just Xeltek's employee took them. So that's my theory. I can't prove it. So, but that's 18 minutes of just me rambling here. So I'll play with that later. We'll catch y'all later. Say bye-bye, Cottie. Go bye-bye.